This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make canned spaghetti sauce taste better step by step. Start by sautéing garlic and onion in olive oil until translucent, then add the canned sauce, a splash of red wine, a teaspoon of sugar, chopped fresh basil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Simmer for 15 minutes to meld flavors and finish with a drizzle of good olive oil and a sprinkle of Parmesan to brighten the sauce. Layering herbs and spices turns ordinary canned sauce into something special, and it's easier than you think. Start with dried oregano or a bay leaf while the sauce simmers, then finish with chopped fresh basil or parsley. For extra umami, whisk in a small amount of anchovy paste or a tablespoon of soy sauce. These deepen flavor without making it taste fishy. Always taste and adjust salt, pepper, and a touch of sweetness if needed. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple cooking upgrades with you. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control. It helps keep floors tidy so you can focus on cooking, not crumbs. I put a link and any deals in the description so you can check it out. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Texture and finishing touches make a big difference in canned sauce and create a restaurant feel at home. If the sauce is too chunky, blend a portion for silkiness while keeping some texture. Stir in a pat of butter or a splash of cream at the end to mellow acidity and add body. Finish with freshly grated Parmesan and a light drizzle of quality olive oil for shine and richness before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.